Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies. My friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video I'm going to share with you a magic remedy to remove wrinkles permanently and to get rid of wrinkles with very simple and natural ingredients. My friends, I promise you this magic remedy works for all skin types and it removes wrinkles and reduces age dramatically overnight. Yet with very simple and natural ingredients we can prepare it at home. Need a clean mixing bowl. Rice is an Asian secret to reduce age and boost collagen production, which will boost the skin elasticity and also filling the wrinkles naturally. So overnight, my friends, you'll find it turn into that whitish color. That means it's ready to go to the next step. Now rinse it to remove the rice into get the water because this is what we're going to use in that magic remedy. Now, my friends, we need to place it underneath the double boiler method until it gets to a thicker texture to get a cream paste. If you couldn't turn it to a cream paste, you need actually to place it on a low direct heat and keep mixing until you get this cream paste. Then, my friends, remove it from the underneath double boiler method. And then, my friends, we need to add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline or petroleum jelly, and we need to mix all the ingredients very well until they combine and mix very well together. So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you.